Most fashion brands face an impossible choice: scale fast and kill your margins, or play it safe and never grow. Dawn Hillier, founder of Hiding Hilda, refused to accept that trade-off. In just 3 months, we cut her acquisition cost by 41% while scaling her ad spend 400%. The result? A doubling of sales and profitable acquisition at scale. Most agencies will tell you you can't scale and improve efficiency at the same time, but we proved that wrong. And here's what Dawn had to say.
Yes, so before I started working with you guys, I was doing everything on my own, all the different social media, Meta, and Google, and it just wasn't connecting. But I was totally doing it on my own. I took some classes and tried to make it work. Yeah, so I've been very happy. Everything has stayed within budget. I like the scale up. Some places want to throw a bunch of money into it and it doesn't actually scale. So I've really appreciated. I've seen over the last 6 months a definite increase in my business. In terms of the overall revenue increase and going into the holidays, it's probably doubled from what it was from the summer. So I see it growing and getting more in depth, and as we learn kind of the different aspects to get into, I think it's just going to grow from here. I like the target marketing, the strategic marketing, and the rebranding you guys have done, I think has really helped tremendously in getting the CTR up and my return on sales. And so far I've been very pleased.
41% lower CAC, 400% increase in ad spend, a doubling of sales, all in 3 months. That's what happens when you stop choosing between growth and profitability and start doing both. If you're tired of agencies that can only do one or the other, then click the link in the description below to book a free strategy call with me today. We'll walk through exactly how you can scale your brand without torching your margins. And then watch this next video where I break down my exact system for scaling e-commerce brands with Google and YouTube ads.